Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. Edward here. So in this video I'm going to talk about something brand new, something completely different, and I want to share with you guys something that I've decided to take a look at, a new business opportunity, absolutely, another income stream I've decided to add to my portfolio. And yes, I do have multiple streams of income. So, first of all, just to explain to people that, Live Good is my number one focus, and it still is. This is something that allows me to get on board with something and remain 100% focused on Live Good. There's zero distraction, and I can just absolutely 100% stay focused on Live Good. But I love the fact that Live Good allows me to diversify into other things and take full advantage of the opportunities that are floating around. At the end of the day, we are presented with opportunities. Most of them I don't even flinch. I'm just 100% focused on Live Good, and I do have a certain few set of rules in my mind, and when I can check off certain check boxes and think, okay, this is something that I should check out further. This is definitely, this particular opportunity is something I've decided to check further, and I'm glad I did. Because at the end of the day, I'm not gonna pass everything by, just because, I've got 100% focus on Live Good, which is true. I do. I have 100% focus on Live Good, but this is something that doesn't even get in the way of what I'm doing on a daily basis with my grind, with my focus with Live Good. So, I've decided to diversify a little bit of my money into something that, into a project that is very, very powerful in my opinion, very, very exciting and very long term. It's a passive income earning opportunity. Yes, it's in the crypto space. And I think, by diversifying into something where you can get involved in digital assets is sensible in my opinion. But there are risks involved, and I won't deny that. There are absolute risks. And as long as you know that, as long as you realize that and prepared to understand that, like I do, why not, take some action? And, I've decided to get on board with something that's got a very, very good project in mind. I've got on board with a gentleman who I've known since 2015. He's my sponsor, and his sponsor is also a good friend of mine who we've met as well. I've met my whole line of support there, and they went over to Malaysia, where the head office is of this corporation, big backing, big things going on with this company, and it's not a small enterprise. Although this particular project that they're setting up here is very new, in the last months or so. I took a few months to really sort of check this out, and I first came across this a couple of months ago. But in checking it out, I've decided this is great. This is good stuff. And it doesn't get in the way of what I'm doing with Live Good, which is good. So I'm not going to say everything here on my public YouTube channel here. I want you guys to check out what this is. You'll have a link below. But to give you a few pieces of some ideas, I want to give some unique aspects to this. Not only do you actually get to earn, on daily passive income up to 1.5% per day. All right. Now, obviously, normally that might, present some red flags. It seems a bit high, perhaps, to some. But for me, I think that's just still within, the possibilities. The numbers still, okay, that's believable. I'm still prepared to look at other aspects just to see, what makes this project really, really solid, in my opinion. So I did dig deeper, obviously. So we do have a good return on investment, and you can get your money back quickly. You can get on board with as little as $100. Okay, you do get your rewards every single day, and so basically, not only do you earn with a great compensation plan as well, but you also earn from the upline. This is something very, very unique. Imagine earning from the upline, not only from your direct sponsor, but you also get to earn from, the one up above your sponsor as well. So normally, you would join an opportunity, you would expect to earn from the downline, particularly the people that you personally sponsor. All right. And then there are, various rankings and check matches and various other things that make this incredibly lucrative in the downline alone. But with this particular opportunity, you're also earning from the upline as well. So very powerful. So in other words, if you join through me, you'll be earning through my what I'm doing with this, and you'll also earn from my direct sponsor, who's also a big investor with this and is already earning over $800 per day with this opportunity. So we've got big things happening with this, very exciting, and I'd love to share this with you guys. I don't expect you necessarily to all jump on board, but I'm looking to work with a few key people with this particular opportunity. I've already created a nice funnel, an entire funnel with a share codes, and we've got the 1 week follow-up series, so that you've got everything you need just to jump on board. It's a very, very simple system, very hands-free, passive income earning opportunity. It doesn't get in the way of what you're currently doing. That's what, for me, one of the things that makes sense for me to get on board, because my number one focus is live good. And thanks to live good, it allows me to diversify. So, thanks for watching, guys. That's the way it is, and that's what I've decided to do. This is a great opportunity, and it marries up and matches, what I'm doing with live good. It makes a nice addition to my income portfolio. So anyway, get on the link below. You'll get on the lead capture page. You'll be able to go through and make sure that you verify your email address. Okay, that's important, because you'll get some emails and some information. You'll be able to get onto the next page. So if you come to me saying that nothing happened, you just got to check your spam folder. Make sure that you get those emails, because that'll get you onto the page that you want to be in order to get the information. If you want to jump on board, great to work with you. If you need any questions answered, you'll have my contact details in the funnel. So I look forward to potentially working with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside. Let's do this. All right. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and talk soon. Bye for now.